gonna show you very quickly my room. That's the front door. Right to the left is the kitchen. It's a small place to eat. A refrigerator, a microwave, stove, sink. We have place for utensils. We have a dishwasher machine, coffee maker. Here we have cups and dishes. We have more cups and bowls. And then here we have a toast maker, salt, pepper, some things like coffee filters. Let's see, I haven't checked anything yet. Connector. I know, right here we have nothing. Let's keep moving here. We have a desk to do homework. We have a living room area, like to watch TV. I have a huge TV there, curtains to see outside. I haven't even checked the view yet. Let's see. There is the parking lot. I'll show you tomorrow during the daytime. Okay, let's go back. There's the TV here. And right here, I love this entrance because it's like in a corner. It's beautiful. You can see carpets on the floor. We have my bed right here. I'm trying to keep it clean and neat. And that's my roommate's bed. We have a TV here to see things, and we have some furniture. We have another window to see. There's the parking lot. It's very cold in here, that's why I'm trying to breathe. Here we have the sink where you take a shower. Where you wash your hands and everything. Oh my god, that's me. I'm ready to get to bed. And right here we have a closet. Some of the things we have. And here's the bed, the bathroom with towels and the toilet and bath tub with cold and hot water. And that's pretty much. It's small, but I love it. I wish I had an apartment like this one, small, simple, but everything is in place. Everything is like so beautiful. Yes.